Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Infopedia. Are you tired of being limited by the system requirements of Windows 11? Do you have an old or lower-end PC that just can't keep up? Well, we have some good news for you. In this video, we are going to talk about a new tool that is the solution of all these limitations. Introducing Tiny11, the lightweight installer that allows you to install Windows 11 on even the most modest of hardware. And the best part, the entire installation is under 8 GB of space. Windows 11 has high system requirements and it's not recommended to install it on unsupported hardware since it may cause random crashes, blue screen errors and other issues. However, with Tiny11, you can bypass these requirements and install Windows 11 on your old computer with low RAM and disk space. Tiny11 is a project from NTDev and it's a Windows 11 Tiny Edition that's based on Windows 11 Pro 22H2. The best part is that Tiny11 doesn't have the bloat and clutter of a standard Windows installation, and it includes everything you need for a comfortable computing experience. In terms of system requirements, Tiny11 only requires 8 GB of storage and 2 GB of RAM, which means Windows 11 can run well on your old computer. You can even run Tiny11 on 200 MB of RAM, but the running speed will be very low. The operating system itself in Tiny11 only takes up 6.34 GB, and it includes some basic apps like Paint, Notepad and Calculator. What's more, no TPM is required to install Tiny11 and the Microsoft Store app is left intact, so you can run it to download and install some apps you need. But wait, what about licensing? Don't worry, the installer requires you to activate Windows, ensuring that everything is above board. However, it's important to note that Tiny11 has some limitations. Since it's a cut-down version of Windows 11, many features you need are not included in Tiny11. Also, the operating system won't update automatically, and you may notice future releases from NTDev. Please keep in mind that Tiny11 isn't supported by the official Windows. Now that you know about Tiny11, let's see how to download it and install it on your old computer. First, go to the NTDev website and download the Tiny11 ISO file. Once you have downloaded the file, you can burn it to a USB or DVD and boot your old computer from it. And you are good to go. So, that's all about Tiny11, a lightweight Windows 11 installer for your old or low-end PC. It's a great tool for desktops and laptops that lack the hardware Windows 11 demands. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the Tiny11 website to download the installer and start enjoying Windows 11 on even most modest of hardwares. Stay connected for more amazing updates and subscribe to our channel Infopedia. Thank you for watching.